Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I'm just doing these little RC hop-up videos. I'm breaking them down a little bit just so it's not 10,000, pieces at once. I did pick up a couple things for my crawler, and then I did just grab a couple extra things to show you what he's got in stock. These things are awesome. I grabbed a couple of these. These are steel inserts for the rims. They're part number 0216, and they're nice and heavy. Don at the shop weighed them, and it was like 170. I can't remember what it was. 100 and something grams. So I think it was like 60 a piece or something like that. So they're heavy, so it's going to put some weight down low. I know it's rotating mass, but still, these are good. I'm going to put them on my sendero. So this was cool. It's got the winch cable, the winch spool, all in stock. Part number 0203. He's got all sorts of different size shocks, all the way down to 70 to 75 millimeter. And then these are 100, 102. I think he had 120 in there too. I didn't grab those. I just grabbed one to show you guys. I'm not keeping all this stuff. I just grabbed some of these to show you guys. And then these are 110 to 115. They're a little bigger, thicker wise. So these are kind of cool. They're nice and soft. And these ones are double springed, the longer ones. So that's kind of cool. And then he has the gears for the SEX 10, 2, 3, and Capra models. These are the center gears. You got your, I believe your overdrive. You've got an underdrive. This is the standard. And then this is the underdrive. So he has all three of the gears, the diff gears. So if you want to put overdrive in your SEX 10, 3, 2, and the Capras, bam, you got all those. And then the drive shafts, steel drive shafts for, these are just for the 3 though, SEX 10, 3. These are pretty cool. They look like they're both the same size. Yeah, so part number right there, 0033. So he does have all certain sizes of these ones. I just grabbed these ones. I just grabbed these for myself, but I saw all these sitting there, so I thought I'd grab, grab a set of these. I don't know, I might try these because they're smaller and see if they fit. I think that the throw is too short for me though, so, and these are too long. I just kind of grabbed them so you guys could see what was going on. But this is all the crawler stuff that I saw that he had new. He's getting new stuff in all the time, so sure by the time I go back, he'll have a few more items to show you guys. But yeah, I did pick these up because I put some more weight down low. But yeah, so RC hop-ups. Go check out their website. Check out JJ Customs website. He has all this stuff on there. RC Hop-Ups has all their stuff on there, and they both ship for free in the United States, and $29.99 for worldwide shipping. So, yeah, some good stuff, guys. Their shocks feel nice and smooth. These ones right here feel really plush. These are some nice ones right here, and they're not too bad of a price. Was it 28 bucks for 2 of those? These feel nice. I mean, real nice. They're nice and smooth. These ones feel pretty good too. These ones feel like they don't have any oil in them. These ones do though. These ones feel like there's oil actually in them. So, yeah, so check them out, guys. They're nice stuff, nice product. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.